Consider the quadratic function f of x equals to ax squared plus 2bx plus 2c. The graph of y equals to f of x intersects x-axis at negative 7, 0 and 3, 0 and y-axis at 0, 42. What is the value of a positive, b positive, c? For the given quadratic function, we have two x-intercepts and one y-intercept. Both the x-intercepts and y-intercept will be on the graph of the given quadratic function. So we can take these 3 points, these intercepts in Desmos using the table. Just click on this positive sign and go to the table. Now let's take the first point, that is negative 7, 0. The second point 3, 0. The third point, that is y-intercept 0, 42. Since we have y equals to f of x, we can plug in this y for f of x over here in the given quadratic function. Then the given quadratic function will become y equals to ax square positive bx positive c. Now we have to take this equation in Desmos. And my aim is not to get the graph of this equation. My aim is to get the values of the constants a, b and c, because I want to get the value of the expression a positive, b positive, c. In that case, when I take this equation as input in Desmos, for y I have to use y1, for equal I have to use a tilde, for x I have to use x1. Okay, now let me take this equation in Desmos. For y I have to take y1, then for equal sign I have to take tilde. Now a times x1, it has to be squared positive, b times x1 positive, c. Here I got the values of a, b and c. Okay, now let's find the value of the expression a positive, b positive, c. Here I got the value of a positive, b positive, c. It is of 32.